back to another video. Today, as you can see, we're going to be working on this lovely Ford Ranger. Just going to be giving it a good wash and a good detail. So as you can see, the actual Ranger is in really good condition. It's actually really well looked after. And for an actual work truck, it's really clean. It gets a little bit dirty here and there, but that's absolutely nothing for a work truck. I've done trucks in much worse condition than this. This is quite luxurious. It's really nice inside actually, nice leather seats. Twin cab. The back has all been colour coded to match. The paintwork's in good condition. I've got some, looks like glue or paint on there which I'm going to try and get off. And a little bit on the back here. It's across here. So hopefully this should all come off. With a good clean. A bit of glue there as well. See what that is. We'll just take it all gently. Wheels are in really good condition, they should clean up nice. Under the arches, not too bad. Power wash all that off. So I'm going to do first, I'm going to crack on with the inside first, give it a really good vac out, get Henry on the job. Vac all the inside out. And then we'll clean the leather seats, give them a treat all the plastics, dress it all up. So probably today I think I'm just going to concentrate on the inside and get it all really nice and clean. A little bit of dirt on the headliner there, so see if we can get that off as well. Okay, so let's get out the cleaning products, get out the Henry, and we'll get started. So first things first, crevice tool on the old Henry vacuum cleaner, Maguire's upholstery brush all the mats off. Just get them out. Probably power wash those I think later. Clean all the carpets up, get all underneath all the actual seats as much as possible, and then we'll start cleaning the plastics and the leather. So the carpet's looking really nice now, it's all nicely vacked out. But now on the inside, all I'm using is Finish Interior Detailer by Mirror Image. I'm just liberally spraying it on. And I've got an old toothbrush. I'm just going in, removing all the dirt from the cracks. Going over with the cloth. Just to improve it, and then I'll put some dressing on it afterwards just to bring that sort of matte sheen back to it. Something like that. So we'll continue with all the dash, clean this all up, and then we'll do the door cards, which aren't actually all that bad, just a little bit marked here and there. It's all ABS plastic, so it's all pretty hard wearing stuff. Dashboard's not bad. Glove box door's got a few scratches on it, but they may buff out. And then we'll do the steering wheel, and then we'll have a look at the leather on the seats. Okay, so the inside of the truck is actually pretty much done now. It's all vacked out. I've still got the mats to do, but I'm going to power wash those in a minute and get them all really nice and clean before I treat the rubbers and put them back in. But I want to get the seats done now. As you can see, the seats aren't in bad condition, just got a few little marks and bits of dirt on them here and there. So what I'm going to be using some proper leather soap. It's used on horse tackle and things like that. Gets a really good deep clean just by using this, and then I'll probably go over the top again, automotive leather treatment. So first of all, use a really nice damp cloth, just a microfiber. Has to be damp, doesn't have to be soaked through. It's just a little bit of a soap on there, not too much. And then we just go in nice little circles. Hopefully take some of this paint off, which it is doing there. Just pull that little bit of paint off there nicely. And this will soften and treat the actual leather. Clean it all up, remove sweat marks, if it can clean up horse saddles and things like that, it's nice and gentle and things like that, it's going to be perfect for these quite worn leather seats. I say worn in the loosest terms, they just got a little bit of builder's dirt and things on there. So again, I'll scrub all over. You see me on camera, I'm not blocking the lens? No. I'm just going to go over like this, all over, and you leave it to dry and you buff it off with a dry cloth. Again, then I'll go over with a leather treatment. It's got a little bit of leather scent in it just to bring the smell back up. They just actually soften the leather quite nicely, this stuff. I've used it on leather jackets and things like that, so it should be perfect for this. So I've just buffed the leather seat over again. I think I'm really pleased with that, how that's coming out. Yeah, on the driver's seat there's still a few little marks that could probably do with a little bit of another going over, probably in the next detail. I think that'll just freshen that up a little bit more, but that saddle soap has done a really nice job. The back seats are all done. They look nice and clean and fresh. Smells really good in here as well now. So now, got the old Karcher ready. We're going to give it a good rinse down, get rid of all the loose dirt as much as possible before we snow foam. Then we'll rinse again and then we'll contact wash. I'm just going to go underneath now with the arches with this little bit of citrus wash diluted 10:1, just to loosen up any further dirt and debris that's left under there. And I'll just agitate that with a brush, give it another rinse down, do it on all 4 arches, and then so as you can see, we're all washed and dried. Now I'm going to go around with a little bit of detailer, back to black it all, put the tyres, put some nice tyre gel on there, black all under the arches, make it all look pretty, and I think we're pretty much done. But it's a big old beast. Took some getting on the roof to climb up on a step ladder. But it's a lovely colour, it's really nice, got really nice metallic to it. Some little bits of paint here and there, just emulsion and things, so we can see if we can get that off, maybe try and clay that off. So I'll continue, knackered. So I'll continue polishing and detailing, and then we'll clean the glass and the plastics, etc., like I just said. typical. Just get done on your first coat of polish or wax and it starts raining. So hopefully it's just a shower. So pretty much finished. Been over the entire thing, spray wax, and I'm just gone over again, mirror image gloss enhancer, just to give it that final luster, remove any fingerprints and dust, etc. But I think that's pretty nice now. Looks really good, smells nice. I've used the Dodo Juice leather air freshener as well, just to give it that scent of leather. Just to finish that off. All the door shuts are all nice and clean, nicely polished. Yeah, it's got some marks and chips and things that still need a little bit of attention. That can be done on the next detail. I think you'll agree. It's pretty good. So I hope you've liked this video. If you have, drop me a comment below. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.